Hello, this is Farzana.
Hi, this is Tanzila. How are you, Farzana, today?
Yeah, not bad. How are you?
I'm good. Every day तो हम लोग स्किन केयर करते हैं ना, वीडियो पॉडकास्ट स्किन केयर का. But today I thought let's do a live session of makeup, an everyday makeup look. So how are you doing, Farzana, today?
Not bad. How are you?
I'm good. So, very important, guys. सबसे पहले तो we have to use a sanitizer. And after that, sanitizer के बाद आप usually moisturizer prefer करते हो या आप direct cleanse करके face makeup start कर देते हो?
I usually moisturize my face.
Oh, you?
Yeah, I do.
Actually,
because my skin is dry skin.
Dry skin, so you have to, dry skin पे तो moisturizer after cleansing is very important. Be it आपका moisturizer liquid form में हो या gel form में. Very important. Is it okay if I use my hands?
Yeah, it's fine. Completely fine.
It is important to ask the client, every time that.
Oh, are you supposed to?
Yes.
Okay.
कुछ लोगों को they don't like it. Like some people, it is very important. अगर आप, if your hands are not washed ना, so वो germs and particles, so वो eczema बन गया.
That's the reason.
Acne
Yeah.
अगर आपके face पे आने का chances बहुत हो जाता है.
Okay.
जी.
So what is the difference between natural everyday makeup and professional one, like for the
So
faces?
everyday makeup na, Farzana Ben, we do it like for offices.
Yeah.
Basically we go for work or we go for shopping. Everyday makeup. But we have to make sure that everyday makeup maybe a moisturizer is very important.
Of course it is.
Yeah.
Otherwise it won't stick, the makeup wouldn't look good.
So, just close your eyes. So this setting spray will, prime your skin.
Okay.
जी. So एक और फरजाना बहन, एक और बहुत बड़ा फायदा है सेटिंग स्प्रे का कि हम लोग उसे आफ्टर मॉइस्चराइजर भी यूज कर सकते हैं एज अ प्राइमर. सो दिस इज अ हैक.
Oh wow. Good to know.
जी. So how was your weekend so far? I heard you're going on a vacation.
Yeah, it's actually not a vacation. It's like, are we going on Umrah, inshallah?
Oh, mashallah, very nice, very nice. Please dua karjo hamare liye.
Inshallah.
So after that your basically moisturizer is done, your face is cleansed. After moisturizer, this is called skin prep. वो skin prep हो जाती है ना, and then we go with the foundation. So as you can see, Farzana Bhai's skin is mashallah. She doesn't have a lot of pigmentation on her skin. So everyday basis पे she doesn't require a color corrector.
Okay, otherwise people need color corrector.
हाँ, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों की skin पे there are pigmentation, dark spots and everything. So they need color corrector for that to make the skin tone, to make the
even.
skin
Even.
So that is one thing.
Okay, so जिसकी ड्राई स्किन होती है या फिर कॉम्बिनेशन होती है, उनको कोई चीज माइंड में रखनी होती है जब वो फाउंडेशन चूज करें?
हाँ, वाटर बेस्ड फाउंडेशन उनको चूज करना है.
अच्छा.
So what they have to do is they have to choose a water based foundation basically. Not a very thick foundation, because अगर very thick foundation लेंगे तो
हाँ वो जाएगा नहीं ना स्किन पे.
very cakey.
हाँ. और वो पाउडर बेस्ड कौन सी स्किन पे ज्यादा सूट करता है?
पाउडर बेस्ड ऑयली पे करता है और न्यूट्रल पे भी करता है, जिसका कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन होता है ना वो. बेसिकली फॉर ड्राई स्किन, एज वी आर यूजिंग लाइक a very between thin to medium coverage का.
Okay.
क्योंकि if you have to go for a wedding and if you still want a natural look.
Yeah.
Everyday makeup also, some people like it very natural, some people like it to give a bit twist.
Okay.
So sorry, can you close your eyes? So this gives you a fresh, look.
Okay.
Even if you haven't slept all night.
Of course, that we don't get enough sleep.
Scrolling reels all night.
No scrolling reels actually. The kids, they don't go to sleep during the holidays.
So, summer vacations are going on.
Yeah, summer holidays are going on.
So this will eventually give you a fresh look that is very important in your everyday makeup look.
Okay, so what are the foundation choices we need to make when we do everyday makeup? कोई high end चाहिए या फिर normal चलेगा?
See, as I applied sunscreen on your face, before I put moisturizer, I've put sunscreen on her face. I did moisturizer as well. Then I did the setting spray. अगर हम लोग everyday का makeup look रख रहे हैं, if you want natural makeup, do you know these BB creams are available?
Yeah.
CC creams are BB creams, which also has sunscreen in it. So it is a very good option for daily use.
So कोई normal भी चलेगा ना? It doesn't have to be like, you know, high end.
Normal भी. So if you see, I've done her makeup in a very even condition, जहाँ पे I cannot see कि कहीं पर भी केकी लग रहा है. हालांकि मैंने बहुत ही कम अमाउंट का फाउंडेशन
I can see that.
जी.
और फिर आप कंसीलर कब यूज करते हो? बाद में?
जी.
Okay.
Some people use it पहले, but I prefer to use it later on.
Is there any reason why?
Yeah, because concealer is basically to highlight your face, highlight your dark spots and everything.
Okay.
To hide those dark spots. Suppose if I have to apply it on your dark spots, so I have to wait. And also every step के बीच में we have to take a 10 seconds break.
Okay. So it can get absorbed in the skin.
It can absorb in your skin and.
Because sometimes when we're rushing, so like
see, even if you are rushing, you have to make sure that you give at least 5 seconds break or 10 seconds break in order to just let your skin absorb it, in order to just set it on your face.
And concealer कौन से कलर का, मतलब आपकी स्किन टोन से मैच होना चाहिए या एक
शेड ब्राइटर होता है?
अच्छा, okay.
So concealer basically is and if you notice, do not put concealer over here, right below your eye.
Okay.
Give a little space.
Okay.
Apply it over here and put in small amount.
Yeah. This is something like interesting. This is first time I'm learning.
Yeah, because then it won't leave you fine lines.
Yeah,
and
because
lines and wrinkles.
Yeah, wrinkles. Mostly wrinkles.
जी.
और पैची लगता है ना वो?
बहुत ज़्यादा. So if you notice, I'll only put it on your highlighted areas.
Okay.
Again, you have to, give it like 2 to 5 seconds at least.
So it gets blending.
Yeah, to blend in easily. So now, even if you must be feeling कि आपकी स्किन पे मेकअप बहुत स्मूथली हो रहा है, because हम लोग ने स्किन प्रेप बहुत अच्छा किया है. स्किन प्रेप. So even if the audience notices over there, there will be no fine lines if you put your concealer a little below your eyelid.
Okay. So waterline तक नहीं जाना चाहिए. Okay.
So yeah. And if you are not wearing scarf,
some
people वो face में तो makeup कर लेते हैं, they forget their neck. But you have to make sure कि आप neck पर भी makeup करें, so your skin looks even.
और कुछ लोग ना हाथ पे भी करते हैं, पता है? They do it on hands as well.
Yeah.
A bit of
you have to make your skin a bit look even.
Yeah.
Sorry, you have to close your eyes. So last time when I did your makeup, did you like it?
Yeah, actually people also loved it.
Thank you. So now, we'll give your eyebrows a little shape so that it doesn't look very even. So, tilt your face a bit. This side. So you have to brush your eyebrows a bit.
So yesterday you went for some promotion videos?
We went to Liverpool yesterday. Bieber's media was in Liverpool.
Oh, that's good. How was the weather there?
The weather was good. It was sunny.
Okay.
But the weather was good.
So promotion के लिए आप
So
गए थे?
you know, we went for this promotion. So there's a gaming zone that has recently opened in Liverpool.
Okay, so we started doing promotions as well.
Ji. So yes, we are doing promotions and we are taking orders for marketing as well. Can I have a look? Yeah.
So it doesn't have to be the eyebrow pencil or...
See, yeah, it depends. If eyebrow pencil suits you, that is okay. But I'm good with the brush as well. So you know, I don't have to use the pencil.
Okay.
I'll directly use the shade.
Okay.
And after a while, no, your makeup starts to वो उड़ भी जाता है. If आपने notice किया है ना, if you go with the natural.
Yeah.
So try and take medium to light coverage.
Okay. Sometimes वो भी होता है ना कि बहुत ज्यादा डार्क लगता है eyebrow pencil से, natural नहीं लगता ना?
Natural नहीं लगता. But you have to keep your hands. थोड़ा सा ना हमारा हाथ हल्का रहेगा. So we'll it'll look natural. It won't look very puffy and all that. Actually, I've got thick eyebrows, so
yeah,
it is
very thick.
Yeah, so it is easy to have it blend it in that way with the brush as well.
Okay.
But you have to make sure कि वो arc brush बहुत ज़्यादा pointed हो.
अच्छा.
थोड़ा ऐसे tight या thick रहता है, so it won't go out. And so we are done with the eyebrows, and we are done with her base. So now we'll go with a little blush.
So some people they do like बहुत ज्यादा कर देते हैं ना blush.
हाँ.
So face पे बहुत ज्यादा वो दिखता है.
हाँ. So आपको थोड़ा जो है ना थोड़ा हाथ लाइट रखना पड़ता है अपने blush के लिए. फिर वो बहुत cartoonish लगता है.
हाँ वही ना.
It's just that can you smile for me? Whenever you are putting a blush, you just need to, if you don't know where exactly to put blush, you need to smile, and then you get these cheekbones. So it is very easy to get the find the correct place to put blush. आपको पता है हम लोग sponsors भी ले रहे हैं on our this thing, skincare videos.
हाँ podcast पे ना. हाँ.
So I'll put it a bit on your nose as well to make it look more flush and natural. You don't have to put a lot of it.
Lot of blush, yeah.
Yeah.
क्योंकि ये जो everyday makeup है ना, तो वो फिर ज्यादा लगता है तो अच्छा नहीं लगता ना.
Of course, you can cover it a bit with your compact, but still try and make it more natural. But फिर अपना choice रहता है वो. And I'd like to put a little mascara just to lift your lashes a bit, so that it doesn't look very powderish. Can you just look at the mascara over here? Yeah, that's it. Stay. So I won't do it very thick. I'll just separate your lash like this. So now, see, over here वो एक थोड़ा सा ना dot लग गया, which I'll show how to clear it. ये बहुत common mistake है. Look at the mascara here.
Yeah, it's good.
नीचे थोड़ा नीचे.
ड्रामा देखते हो इंसिला?
हाँ. Recently I'm watching Zanjeer.
अच्छा है.
Zanjeer drama is actually very good.
It's
intense and good.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
So is it from Pakistan? I guess
it's a Pakistani drama basically. So what you do if you have a beauty blender?
Yeah.
The mistake that we made, just you can also if you are running late, but if you have time, use a bud.
Okay, Q-tip. Yeah.
Yes. So this will even it out, and then we'll do is of course we'll first do your compact, and then we'll do your lipstick.
Okay.
Because I prefer lipstick at last.
Okay. And some people do prefer compact first and foundation afterwards.
Can you look up? Up, yeah. So if you keep your hand थोड़ा नीचे, थोड़ा light hand रखोगे ना, तो आपके face पे wrinkles नहीं आएंगे after you put the powder.
अच्छा. So आप ड्रामा देखते हो तो किसका मेकअप आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा
Sajal
लगता है?
Ali. Sajal Ali does
Oh,
some
she's a good-
amazing
yeah.
fresh look makeups,
है ना?
and I try to, you know, take inspiration from her makeup artist and Mahira Khan as well. Mahira
Yeah.
Khan also does very natural makeup. Urva as well. So you know these people, these actresses, also Indian actresses as well, like Alia Bhatt. She
Yeah.
also tries to put it very natural and she tries to, you know, keep her makeup very natural and glowy. So she uses a lot of highlighter as well.
Okay.
But yeah, someday I'll do a replica of Cannes Film Festival when Alia Bhatt, when she did a very good,
Yeah, it was a really good look.
she did a very good look on her makeup.
और क्या चीज आपको माइंड में रखनी होती है जो जब आप मेकअप करते हो एवरीडे वाला? क्योंकि इफ वी वर्किंग कहीं पे जाते हैं या लाइक मोस्टली तो पिघल जाता है ना?
Yeah, right. So, you know, try and put setting spray or primer. So even if it's hot, don't forget your setting spray or mist. So over here, if I do her lipstick with just a lipstick, it won't look, or it won't give that good look, or it won't give justification to your inner lines. So now, Fazana, हम लोग ऐसे, like I try and do it with the brush to make it look, to make it reach to the inner corners of your lips as well. If you guys have any comments or any suggestion, or if you want to see another makeup look on Farzana Ben or on me, or if you want to come to our studio and, you know, try our makeup looks, you are more than welcome. And comment below if you want to see different makeup looks and if you like this live session as well. We are also doing advertisement promotions, and these things will, of course, if you want your business to get promoted on Beavers, do DM us or contact us on the given number. We'll definitely call you back. And we'll place a meeting where we can sit and discuss about your video promotions.
Yeah, and you can sponsor our show as well.
Yeah. So if you are interested, if you want to sponsor our show, we can definitely give you some details, but just contact us on the given number. So now if you see, Farzana Ben, your makeup looks very dewy.
Okay.
Still doesn't look cakey.
Okay.
And it's very good for your everyday look.
Everyday look, yeah. So if you use setting spray, कितने time तक चल सकता है? If it is hot,
it works like at least till 4 to 5 hours, I think.
Oh, it should.
Yeah, 4 to 5 hours if you use a good company setting spray, of course. So it goes for 5 to 6 hours. But don't forget to put your sunscreen.
Yeah, of course. UK heat is unbelievable now.
I know, right? So, and even if you don't want anything on your eyelids, sometimes people, वो थोड़ा crease आ जाता है हमारे eyes में. So what you do, you take a powder, take your eyeshadow brush, and just wipe it out.
So any powder?
Yeah, any powder. So
it doesn't have to be eyeshadow.
No. If you don't want to put eyeshadow on everyday.
Okay.
Just put the powder so that the crease goes out.
It's covered.
And then it won't come back till you wash your makeup.
Okay. And I think it's important to clean skin afterwards as well at the end of the day.
And sometimes, if you feel that your inner corners are not powdered correctly, you can of course use this brush.
Okay.
But of course clean it before you use it. वरना eyeshadow का जो pigment रहेगा वो आपके dark circles पे आ जाएगा.
और एंड ऑफ द डे भी फेस अच्छे से क्लीन करना
Yeah.
होता है ना मेकअप रिमूवर उससे
वो हमने आई गेस एक
podcast में,
पॉडकास्ट
हाँ,
बनाया
कहा
है
था।
in which way we show people how to cleanse your makeup
हम्म,
even if it's looking very good before you go to
I know.
bed. So you know these fine lines, you just
You can put
cover it with the
okay.
powder
Okay.
because not like the fat brushes जो रहते हैं ना it does वो इतना अंदर तक नहीं जाते
अच्छा.
और कभी कभी उसके brushes eyes को poke करते हैं so it is convenient.
So this is something new for me.
Yeah.
क्योंकि कोई भी like if we think we so tired we cannot wash the face लेकिन 5 मिनट लगती है ना it just takes 5
Makeup
minutes.
wipes also available ना.
हाँ, yeah, that's actually good idea.
Coming back to Zanjeer,
अच्छा,
very nice drama.
is it? I'll have to watch
हाँ
it.
देखना.
Not watch it, watch it.
So this is like very dewy, very. You can have a look.
Okay.
And see if you got satisfied with it.
Of course I will. Yeah. It's
Do
quite
you
natural,
like it?
isn't it?
Yeah, it looks natural and it
Yeah.
doesn't give you a lot of
Yeah.
cakiness on your
Yeah.
face. Even if you have to work, you don't have to do a lot of touch-ups.
Okay, so I finished with the setting spray.
So,
Or is it done?
It's up to you because I apply the setting spray at the very beginning.
Okay.
To keep the makeup on your face 24 hours, or if the makeup spray stays for 5 hours as well. Like if you use Charlotte Tilbury, any other
Okay,
brand.
अच्छा वाला.
Yeah. So otherwise, if you want, you can also put it after.
Okay.
So you have to very well shake your setting spray. Just keep your eyes shut and make sure a little distance.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You can have a look now.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. It's really good.
You're most welcome. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for connecting with us on Skincare Diaries that we do on Bieber's Media. And feel free to contact us for your promotional videos or if you want to sponsor our series Skincare Diaries.
Please.
This is Tanzila from Bieber's Media.
Keep watching Bieber's Media. Thank you.
you.
This is Farzana.